How to create custom batch workflows with Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials or sign up if you don't have on it. Keep in mind that creating custom batch workflows requires a subscription plan, so make sure your account is upgraded accordingly. Next, select multiple audio files that you want to process. Custom batch workflows let you process several tracks together, saving you time and effort. Choose the separation modes you want to apply to these files, such as vocals and instrumental, drums, bass, or other specific stems. After that, customize the output settings for your batch process. You can select the audio format, quality, and any advanced option to match your project needs. Once you have configured everything, save your batch workflow as a custom preset. This allows you to quickly use the same settings for future batches without reconfiguring each time. Finally, start the batch processing, and Lalal.ai will automatically process all your selected files based on your custom workflow. After processing, you can preview, download, or share your separated tracks with ease. And that's it. Now you know how to create custom batch workflows with Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.